So today I am using all the things that I buy that I don't use. So that includes the high and low unit that I bought from GoldnTree. And for a while, I've been wanting to try all of the styles that they say that the unit can do. So I'm going to do that for us today just to see how they look, because I always see people do the high and low, but not the other like 3 styles. And I went ahead and did the first style, which was like a low ponytail, and I'll include that into the video once we move further along. But I am so ready to try all these different styles just to see what they look like. So we're gonna try each one of these that's on the card. There's some glare. So I think the first one I'm gonna try is the half wig, then we'll move into the ponytails. All right, for the first one, I bought some headbands because I figured it could be like a headband wig. I'll probably put this one on just because it's already out, but I did buy some more. So let's see what it looks like with the half. styles. Let me know which one was your favorite, which one was the easiest, and which one you would like to create yourself. I personally love the half up, half down. It's super cute. I did love it with the little bangs, but I pulled on too hard so they came off. But I absolutely love the versatility of this unit here. And I am like so happy that I decided to do this, because now I have so many different options, especially when I'm on the go or just want to do something cute and simple to my hair, but don't have the time. So please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And like I said, comment which one you would wear or try. All right, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.